So in today's video, we'll be talking about exosome. It's a very popular procedure in aesthetic medicine and it is done for hair and scalp. So I am Dr. Namrata and today I'll be telling you about the procedure, how it is done, debunking common myths, and whether this procedure is right for you or not. Exosomes are sac-like vesicles which are carrying the messages for the cells. They are released by cells. You can actually take them as a communication system between the cells. They give signals how to repair, replenish, and growth. And they give a proper cell memory to the cell. Exosomes are basically used for repair and regenerative method. Exosomes are generally plant or animated, right? Exosomes are slightly different. They are actually completely different as compared to Botox and filler. They are not spasming your muscle like Botox or not giving volume like fillers. It is working on a grounded level in order to give you more rejuvenated skin. The whole game is all about the cell memory. Exosome for skin is like working on more of a cellular level. It promotes elasticity and it is generally done for dehydrated skin, if skin is which is losing texture, which is having hyperpigmentation, fine lines. Exosome is the right choice for them. It is often paired with scar management, scar healing, surgical treatments, and many more. It improvises tonicity and texture of the skin by promoting collagen production. And it is a very good choice for any treatment or any surgical procedure which is happening. It promotes a very good recovery. It is often paired with microneedling, lasers, and RF therapies. Exosome helps in scalp health. It improvises the dormant follicle which is already present on the scalp. It will not grow any hair follicle overnight, but yes, it do contribute. It is generally a positive choice for any hormonal based hair loss, any stress related hair loss. There's so many cases out there. It is often a preferred choice for many procedures, especially for scalp injectables. Overall, it improvises a scalp follicular environment and promotes hair growth. How often have you heard about comparison of PRP versus exosome? When PRP is derived from a person's blood, it is platelet-rich plasma, PRP. Whereas exosome is more of the signals which are derived from plant and animals depending on the provider. And when they are cumulatively combined together, they have given wonderful results. Whereas exosomes are used solo also, but the results are more, it is like more effective, it is paired with PRP. PRP majorly concerns about the person's health and blood quality, whereas exosome is not dependent on that. But for certain cases and certain patient conditions, we combine them both together to give the desired result possible. Why exosome is for you? It's a very common question everyone keep asking me. If you want a better healing after any of the surgical procedure or any traumatic experience, exosome is your choice. If you see early signs of aging, exosome is your go-to choice. If you have fine lines or dehydration, exosome is your style. Or if your hair is thinning, or you want a scientific backup, proper regenerative treatment, then exosome is for you. Exosomes are non-invasive procedures and they are done majorly with PD syringe or sometimes paired with microneedling. Downtimes is generally between 24 to 48 hours and the redness is there if the scalp is little sensitive. There is no as such precaution, but yes, we generally avoid heat exposure and itching. The exosome procurement should be done by the authentic source and should be performed under the supervision or should be performed by a doctor itself. Results with exosome are gradual. With skin, it improvises the texture, and with hair, again, the texture is improvised and volumization happens. It is not a one-time procedure. With a proper constructed treatment plan, it can be easily executed and desired results can be attained. To summarize it all, exosome works wonderfully for hair and skin. It works on a cellular level to improvise growth and repair. But exosomes are not for everyone. For right treatment, you need right consultation. And for that, to answer all of your questions, I'm there at Kilyumi Aesthetics. Thank you for watching. I am Dr. Namrata. See you at the clinic.